Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Judy. Thank you for being here, and today we're making a round throw pillow. We're using a fabric that I have. It's a stretching fabric. We have fiber and we have a needle and a thread. So let's get started. In my video today I am using 38 by 16 inches. That is what you're going to make. You can adjust your measurements depending on the size that you want. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger than that. Cut your fabric and make sure that you have the right measurements in the process. From this point, you take the shorter sides and you stitch them together. You can use your hands, you can use a sewing machine if you have one, but for this part you're going to use your hands. Make random stitches on one side of the fabric, and as you continue, make sure that as you stitch you're pulling the string. Just make sure that you make it tight and be careful, because if you cut the thread, you're going to repeat the whole process. So be careful with this process, be so gentle. Yes, let's continue the process. Repeat as many times as you can. From there we're going to put in our fiber. Make sure that you don't just add the needle part, because that is what we're going to use to connect the top and the bottom side. Repeat the stitches on the top side. Pull your string carefully and gently. Repeat as many times as you can to make it a bit tight. There we have our pillow. Covered both sides. Now this is where you take your two buttons. You attach them from the top and from the bottom. This is where you connect the two buttons through the middle part, the one that I told you to fill in kabisa. Connect the buttons using the middle part. Repeat the process as many times as you can, because you want the buttons tight, and also it will give you, this is where this form is shaped. So repeat as many times as possible to achieve the design that you have for the middle part. And there guys, as simple as that. Last time we have our round pillow. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Kindly subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.